Welcome back to my channel. In this Pokemon Gym Leader custom doll episode, I'm going to make a Erika doll. Between these 5, I decided to recreate this one. Erika is my favorite gym leader. I'm using this basic blue dress Barbie's head. And for her body, I'm using this made to move Curvy. So let's get started. Remove her hair. Remove the remaining hair inside. Then, I remove the factory paint using Lacquer thinner. For her hair, I'm going to use this black ribbon. To make a weft, seal one end with flame and fray the other end. To straighten your hair weft, just use hair straightener. Then, I rerouted strands of frayed ribbon using this improvised reroute tool. This is my first time to reroute a doll hair, and it was fun. Cover the hair with cloth and add 1 to 2 layers of MSC. Sketch out the face and add blush using soft pastel. If you're not satisfied, just use a kneadable eraser to remove the sketch. Using wet brush, I pick up pigments from watercolor pencil to add solid lines and to fill in the colors. Add highlights using white watercolor pencils. And use brown or black watercolor pencil to sharpen the lines. And if the colors stop to build up, it's time to add a layer of MSC. Add the pupil of the eye. And add the eye shines. Then resharpen the lines. And if you're finished, add a final coat of MSC. I tried styling her hair. And this happened. So it's time for Plan B. So I decided to make a wig cup. Just glue strands of hair. Also glue on wefts of hair. Then I added a strip of ribbon to mimic the headband. Then it's time to cut her hair short. For her outfit, I selected these 3 fabrics and sew them by hand. This is the juban or the white undergarment. And this is the kimono. The pokeball pattern on her kimono was achieved by using a heat transfer paper for fabrics. Lastly, her skirt. Then, I use a white ribbon with velcro for the closure for the white undergarment. For her socks, I use these white stretchable fabrics. And I made this pair of Zori sandals from cork, and I use a ribbon to make the strap. Also, I made a fan and I made a foldable umbrella. I like how she turned out. I enjoy making the outfit, also the umbrella. If I have extra free time, I will make videos on how I sew doll clothes. I prefer hand sewing than using sewing machine. Also, I will make video on how I make doll, accessories and miniatures. Materials used in this repaint video are listed in the description box below. I hope you like my first doll repaint. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next episode. Bye!